Okay, I'm going to do an unboxing with this brand new Hot Wheels Track Fleet Chevy Silverado Driftcation. Sorry, that's a hard one to say. This here is the new Silverado with the camper shell and the trailer. And I really got to see it opened up, so we're going to open it up right now. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a really solid casting. Pretty cool here. It's got wide fenders in the back and the front. It's got side exhaust. It's got a cool camper shell. It's got some pretty good details. There's the twin turbo engine and the chrome interior. There's the trailer, small metal base, small plastic trailer, and it attaches to the camper, not to the truck. I really am going to need to figure out, how it compares to a regular 83 Silverado, but it's definitely different. I got to get it apart and see what it looks like without the camper on. So maybe I'll get out my screwdriver and see if we can do a little bit of modification on this one. So that's just the unboxing. I'll try to do another video where I show off taking it apart maybe. But thanks for watching.